PayPal reported earnings 2 days ago and the stock is crashing. If you believe this is an opportunity or if you don't know what to do with your PayPal stock, continue to watch this video. So let's talk about PayPal. PayPal is a company I have in my watch list for a long time. Full disclosure, I don't own the stock. In my last analysis, um, I had a value of around $70 for PayPal, and now the stock is lower. So I did read the earnings report. I have go into my analysis, and I have a new value for PayPal, and I really like the company. PayPal is down 17% since the earnings. Um, is this an opportunity? I don't know. I would like to have your opinion about PayPal as well. Um, so first, let's talk about PayPal. PayPal is a really good company, well managed company. There are a lot of things I really like. It's a company that's growing a lot. They are growing around 16% a year. They have good margins. Bear in mind, this is not a normal margins. PayPal margins have been above 15%. Their free cash flow margins is even higher. So their margins are good. They have a lot of cash and really low debt. The return on invested capital have been around 9%, 10%, which is it's not awesome, but it's good. So things we like. Revenue growth is a check. Good margins, low debt. They basically can buy their long-term debt uh, with their cash in hands. They have a good return on invested capital. They have some competitive advantage, a good moat. I really like to use PayPal when I buy things from China, from other countries. There is one of the most safe credit service out there. They have been free cash flow positive. They have been returning capital to the shareholders, doing a lot of buybacks, which I didn't like because they were buying back shares when their share price was a lot higher than it is now. So maybe now it's a good opportunity. They announced it in there and they will continue to do their buybacks. They have $4 billion for the buybacks. So I believe the only problem here with PayPal was valuations until now. Now maybe we have a good value for PayPal. They are trading at a forward PE of 11, which is really good for a company like PayPal. So PayPal is a really good company, well managed. So let's look into now. Analysts are expecting their revenue to grow around 6-7% this year and 9% for the next. Bull case for this company, there is a really good company. They earn a lot of money, good margins, a good moat, and some competitive advantage. But my bear case for this company is like they will have a lot. They will have difficulties to continue to grow. So they will have competition from Apple now on the fintech and the financial bankings. It's gonna be difficult for PayPal, but they have a good brand, and it's gonna be difficult for them to continue to grow. So I'm not expecting them to grow above 10% for the next year. So doing our valuation in my base case, I will be expecting them to grow around 10% and 7% for the last 5 years. I want to do a P of 17 for my base case because I do believe they deserve a premium. And for their margins, I believe 18%. I believe I'm being conservative on my margins. I believe they can do 20%, even higher. But let's be conservative. For our discount rate for our base case around 12%. For our bull case, imagine if they can optimize their margins to 20%, growing around 12% and 9% for the last 5 years, a P of 19. Yes, they deserve a little bit of premium. If they assume that, I believe I have a higher discount rate because we need a higher margin of safety. And for our bear case, a growth of 8% and 5% for the last 5 years, a P of 15, a discount rate of 10% for these assumptions, and margins around 16%. So with that case, we come with an intrinsic value of $56. So PayPal is trading around $63 now. So that's close to our intrinsic value. I'm thinking on pulling the trigger and starting a position on PayPal. I really like the company. I do believe there is a good company. They will continue to grow, slower, but they will continue to grow. And I believe they can do a lot of profits in the next years. And that's a brand that's not gonna disappear. So I really like the company. I'm thinking of pulling the trigger. What do you think, guys? It is a good value for PayPal. Should we buy it? I would like to see your opinion on the comments if you like to comment. So I'll wait for that, guys, and I hope you find this analysis useful. So if you like it, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys.